Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.